Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It is. How are you doing today, David? You seem very happy. You have a big smile.
I am very happy today. I had a really fun morning.
Ooh, a fun morning. Tell me.
Well, I finally did it. I bought a new bicycle.
A bicycle? Wow, David, that is great news.
Yes, I am so excited. I want to ride it this weekend.
What color is it?
It is bright red. I will go very fast.
A fast red bicycle. I love that. And you, Sarah, how are you? I am doing great, thank you. I have my big cup of tea.
Lovely. I have my coffee today.
So we are ready to chat.
We are. But wait, David, before we start our chat,
Oh, yes, a good idea.
everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes.
And if you like our podcast, please take a moment to click that like button. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Daily Speak English channel. That way you won't miss our new episodes.
And share this with your friends. If they are learning English, maybe they will like our chat too.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Sarah, so I have a funny story.
Oh, a story. I love your stories. Is it about the red bicycle?
No, not the bicycle. This story is from work.
Oh, work. A good story or a bad story?
A very funny story. Yesterday at my office.
Yes, yesterday was Pet Day.
Pet Day. What is Pet Day? It is a day where you can bring your pet to the office.
What, really? Your dog?
Yes, people brought their dogs and their cats.
Oh, I do not think that is a good idea, David.
It was crazy.
Tell me.
Okay, so my boss, Mr. Henderson.
Mr. Henderson, yes, the serious boss.
Yes, he has a pet. A very, very small dog. A little white dog.
Oh, that is cute.
Yes, and my colleague, Sarah, you know Sarah.
Yes, Sarah is very quiet.
Yes, Sarah brought her cat. A very big cat.
A big cat?
A big, fat, orange cat.
His name is Garfield.
Yes, of course. So the office is quiet, and then the cat sees the dog.
Oh.
The little white dog is yip, yip, yip.
Oh, no.
And the big orange cat, it jumped.
Where?
It jumped onto the desk, onto Mr. Henderson's desk.
No.
Yes. And Mr. Henderson's coffee.
Oh, David. Coffee. Everywhere.
All over the big report.
The report? Was he angry?
He was not angry. He was surprised. His face, he just said, "Oh my."
Oh, my.
And the cat, it was scared. It ran. And the dog, it ran too.
Oh, what a mess.
But wait, my other colleague, Tom, funny Tom, he brought a pet too.
A dog? A cat?
A fish.
A fish?
Yes, a small fish in a small bowl.
He put it on his desk.
No, the big orange cat, it saw the fish.
Oh, no.
The cat ran to the fish, and Tom, he grabbed the bowl. He shouted, "No, Garfield, this is Swimmy."
Swimmy?
Yes. So yesterday at my office, we have a dog barking, a cat running, coffee on the floor, and Tom saving his fish Swimmy.
Sarah, that is the funniest work story ever.
It was crazy. I think no more pet day at work.
I think that is a good idea. My days are not that fun.
Oh, what about you, Sarah? How is your week?
My week is good. You know, I am not at an office. I am studying.
Oh, that's right. You are taking a class.
Yes, I am taking a cooking class.
A cooking class. Wow, Sarah, that is fantastic.
It is fantastic, but David,
Yes.
I am a very bad cook.
No, you're not.
I am. Listen, last night, we learned to make pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. I love to eat pasta.
Making pasta is very difficult.
Oh,
You must roll it. It is very, very hard work.
my arms were so tired.
It is exercise.
Yes, a pasta workout.
Yes, a pasta workout.
So what happened? The teacher, she's very nice. Her name is Rosa. She said, "Okay, Sarah, your pasta is ready. Put it in the hot water."
Okay, easy.
David,
Yes?
I put the pasta in the water, and
And?
it all stuck together.
Oh, no.
Yes, it was not pasta. It was one big pasta ball.
A pasta ball.
Yes, a big, heavy ball.
Sarah, that is interesting.
Interesting, that is a bad word in a cooking class.
I know.
So I tried to fix it. I used a big spoon,
Uh-huh.
and I tried to pick up the pasta ball, and it slipped.
Slipped?
Yes, the pasta ball, it slipped, and it hit the wall.
No.
Yes, there was a big, white, sticky pasta ball on the wall.